Hello again, folks. Today I thought I would do a little all brass selection. I've started a new playlist called All Brass Padlocks, and I thought I would just start doing the feature on all the ones that have come my way. Obviously, I've picked this beautiful memorial Parkinson's padlock, and I've also picked this lovely little Ace 20mm. I do also have these beautiful squires, the 302 and the 330 with brass shackles. They're going to be coming up on the Squire lever lock padlock collection playlist. But today I thought I would focus on this beautiful Union 3270. It's a warded lock. You can tell by the keyway. If you see a keyway like that, it's generally a warded lock. Even if your key looks like a normal key, if that's your keyway, it's not a pin tumbler, regardless of the key. So this is a bit in, and it still works perfectly despite its age. And we've got some beautiful markings on that lock. You can say one thing about old locks, they have character. So yes, anyway, like I say, this is the wafer lock. Just let me get some light here. You can tell because you have these discs. I'll leave some links down below anyway. One's from Lock Noob, one's from another guy. I've suddenly forgotten explaining a bit more about wafer locks. There's no point in me rehashing different material when it's already out there. But these are the locks. Sorry, these are the videos I used to watch when I first started picking a while ago now. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful lock. It's a pain in the arse, I will say, to single wafer pick, or SPP, but for wafers, as you might say. But because there's a wafer lock and there's generally no security pins in them, they are designed for minimal things to go wrong and outdoor use. If you get yourself a set of jigglers like so, these are from UK lock pickers when they were trading. If you get the right set of jigglers, then you can just mimic the bit in, because there's nothing else to worry about. There's like no warding, no security pins. It's just a matter of getting those wafers to the right height. So let me just get a black background. There we go. There's a bit on the key. As you can see, nothing to write home about really. Yeah. So yeah, wafer locks, not the best, but this is still a beautiful lock, you have to admit. If you want to go and see more, go and check out my all brass padlock playlist, and there's many more in there, like challenge locks I've picked, and master locks including the number 19, ABUS locks, how to make tools, lock picking tips, and all sorts. So go and have a look, have a peruse, and that's it for now, folks. Till next time, take care, bye bye.